How to gain respect, 7 secret ways. Have you ever wondered why some people instantly get respect while others struggle no matter what they do? You can feel it when someone walks into a room. People notice them, they listen, they take them seriously. It almost feels like a superpower. The truth is, respect isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, step by step, through your actions, energy, and mindset. And in this video, I'll share 7 secret ways to gain real respect. The kind that lasts. Let's get started. Secret number 1, stop chasing respect. Most people try too hard to get others to like or respect them. They talk louder, show off, or try to prove something. But the more you chase respect, the further it runs away. Real respect is silent. It's built through calm confidence, not loud words. When someone insults you or tries to provoke you and you stay calm instead of reacting, that's power. And people notice that level of self-control. They think this person can't be shaken easily. Respect doesn't come from demanding it. It comes from being so centered that you don't need to. Secret number 2, keep your word. Respect is built on reliability. If you say you'll do something, do it. If you make a promise, keep it. Every time you keep your word, people's trust in you grows. And trust is the foundation of respect. It doesn't have to be something big. Even small things count. If you say you'll call someone back, call them. If you commit to a deadline, meet it. Now people start to see you as someone dependable. They know you mean what you say. And that creates a quiet authority that earns deep respect. Secret number 3, set boundaries. Being nice is good, but being too nice destroys respect. When you say yes to everything, people start to take you for granted. You don't gain respect by pleasing everyone. You gain it by standing firm on what matters to you. When someone crosses a line, say no clearly and calmly. You don't need to explain yourself too much. Boundaries show people that you value yourself. It's not about being rude. It's about having self-respect. And once you respect yourself, others naturally start doing the same. Secret number 4, talk less, listen more. The more you talk, the less people listen. The more you listen, the more people value your words. People respect good listeners because they make others feel heard and understood. When you truly listen, you understand situations better, respond smarter, and gain insight others miss. Next time you're in a conversation, don't rush to talk about yourself. Ask questions. Listen with full attention. When you finally speak, your words will carry weight because people know you actually think before you speak. Secret number 5, master your body language. Respect often begins before you even say a word. Your body speaks louder than your voice. Stand tall. Keep your shoulders back. Make eye contact when you talk. Move with calm and purpose. And people notice posture and presence instantly. A confident stance tells them you believe in yourself. When you walk into a room, act like you belong there. Not in an arrogant way, but with quiet assurance. If your body language says you respect yourself, others will too. Secret number 6, stop trying to impress people. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying too hard to impress others. They brag, exaggerate, or constantly seek approval. But the truth is, the more you try to impress people, the less they respect you. People respect authenticity. They can sense when someone is being real versus pretending. Confidence means being yourself even when others don't like it. It means knowing your worth without needing anyone's validation. You don't need to prove your value, just live it. When you stop performing and start being genuine, people start respecting you for who you are, not who you're pretending to be. Secret number 7, respect others first. If you want respect, give it. It's that simple. Treat everyone with respect, not just people above you, but those below you too. The way you treat people who can't do anything for you says everything about your character. When you're kind, polite, and fair, people notice. And even if they don't say it, they feel it. Respect is like a mirror. Whatever you give out comes back to you. When you show respect to others, you create an environment where people naturally give it back. Let's quickly go over the 7 secrets again. Number 1, stop chasing respect. Number 2, keep your word. Number 3, set boundaries. Number 4, talk less, listen more. Number 5, master your body language. Number 6, stop trying to impress people. And number 7, respect others first. You don't need to be rich, powerful, or famous to earn respect. You just need to live with integrity, confidence, and honesty. Respect starts within you. When you respect yourself, others can feel it. You stop needing approval, and that's when people truly begin to admire you. So ask yourself this: which of these secrets are you going to start working on today? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe for more videos on self-growth and psychology, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message today. Thanks for watching, and remember, the most powerful person in the room is the one who doesn't need to prove it.